First off, thank you to Amazon Japan for sending us this sample. This is the Colorsoft 2, kind of. Now, we are going to be doing a ton of videos on this, well, because they're popular and because this is incredibly confusing, so listen up. This is the first generation Colorsoft, second release 2025 Kindle Paperwhite body with the Colorsoft screen brought over from the Signature Edition. Canada and America do not have the Colorsoft 2025 Signature Edition. They only have the basic one. Japan gets the Colorsoft 16 gig, no wireless charging, and they get the 32 gig Signature Edition wireless charging. It is incredibly confusing. We don't know why they keep doing this, but let's crack it open, and don't worry, we will get into a little bit more explanatory infographic approach during the review and the dedicated comparison video. Before we do crack it open, let us look at the back really quick. We have 7-inch Colorsoft display, aka Kaleido 3, highlights in multiple colors, and access to millions of titles in a Kindle store, adjustable warm light with paper-like feel. So far, nothing is different. But don't worry, again, we're going to be doing a bunch of coverage on this to show you guys exactly what is all going on. You do have the little dude sitting under the tree reading I hope he's reading a Kindle. I don't know if he's reading a book. And you have that with a little bit of a shiny coat and a matte coat to develop the image. Now this part is paper. In fact, almost all of the materials in the packaging is recycled. Now, this percentage of recycled materials, cobalt recycled percentage for the battery, the shell, it actually differs from region to region. So again, you're gonna have to wait for the comparison video when we get behind all that, because there's a lot going on here. They make it seem like it's just this, the all new Kindle Colorsoft. They've really mixed up the pot on this one, and I think for good measure. This is the Kindle Colorsoft regulatory information, I believe. Yes, it is, with all of the warranty stuff, and this is going to be your user guide, so to speak. So, I don't remember seeing that last time. I'd have to rewatch the review video and unboxing I don't think we saw this insert, so that's really cool. Learn more about your Kindle Colorsoft by going to the QR code. This is actually nice because it cuts down on paper. You don't really need that much. And of course, a paper wrapped USB cable. The USB cable is pretty much the same thing. Now remember, again, the one that you get in North America does not have the wireless charging Qi or Qi or QI, whatever you want to call it. So you will have to charge it with the USB cable. I think we can actually take it out from the top here. All right. Also, there is a difference in the backing. One is metallic black, one is black. So we will get into all that again during the review and comparison, but so far the only difference that has been told to us essentially is the elimination on the basic unit of the light sensor. It is 4 grams lighter because the wireless charging coil is no longer in the back. Wireless charging coil is basically like a circular thing but very flat. They put on the back like that so that when you put it on a wireless charging pad, it interacts and it transmits the signal to charge the battery. This one's just old school. You gotta charge it with the USB down below, and that's pretty much it. There's not really anything outside of the weight, the charging, the light sensor, and the color. But again, this is going to get really muddy when we go and get the Signature Edition Japanese model sent to us, and we don't know if it's going to be a different model number on the back too. So far, the model number written on the back and the back of the device itself is SA58CB. So this will vary from model to model. Even though we had this linked to our Amazon.ca account page and we're conducting this from Japan, we only have 2 regions to choose from, USA or UK. Honestly, I hope there's something new here. Let's just check it out. Introducing the Kindle experience, quick access to settings, home library, and current reading. This might just be the generic tutorial. Scroll left and right. New quick scrolling experience. Navigate by tapping, dragging, or holding the trackpad of the scroll bar. And more menu, not more menu. thought it was like more things. Well, that just seems to be exactly the same as the previous gen. Now remember, this is the same gen. It's just an all new. They did the same thing with the Kindle Scribe 2. It's not really the Kindle Scribe 2. It's the second one, but it's not the second because it's the first, but the second. You get it? We don't. Stay tuned for a lot more coverage coming on this. We are going to really break these down. We're going to dissect the 3 models and see exactly which one is which one is available to which, and how they are different from the previous release gen offerings of 2024. Stay tuned.